How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model tiny home, coming in right at 399 square feet. And this week, we got a very special treat. I'm presenting to you the Platinum Premier. And not only am I doing that, but I'm doing it 3 times. Yes, I said 3. So we're going to show you each individual home and show you a little different characteristic in each one that you can add to your Platinum Premier to keep it a little bit different but stay in that same price range. Hope you enjoy. Alright guys, starting with this Platinum Premier, we went for more of a rustic style. As you can see, we started off with more of the darker woods, more of the darker cabinets. We have in here, we've got the southern yellow pine trim that is stained a darker brown. See, we've got the nice sink right here in the middle. With the windows on both sides, giving you a lot of countertop space. We went with the black appliances in this unit as well. Went with the coil top stove, nice microwave up above, and then your standard black refrigerator. Well, what's so popular about the Premier is the flow of the kitchen and living area. This home is a 15 wide, so you can see you can fit a nice sized couch in here. We've got nice windows there below, and then you also see that we got a nice entertainment center built in, with a nice mini split AC and heat unit right up above to keep you nice and cold during the summertime and nice and warm in the winter. You guys follow me right through here. You'll see we've got the spot for your stackable washing machine and dryer right here to the side. Very convenient, and it flows perfectly into your bathroom. We've got nice linen cabinets right here, good amount of countertop space, nice residential toilet, hooks right in the septic or city sewer, and then the nice stand-up shower with the transom window up above to bring in that natural light. And what I like, you came in through that entrance, and you come in through this entrance right into your master. Come in, you got a lot of space. You see you can fit up to a king size bed in this master. There's not many tiny homes that you can do that in. You see we've got the nice windows right up here, bringing in the natural light, and you'll also see that we've got the built-in dresser, nice space right here for a TV, and we went with the white accordion doors for your closet. So you've got closets on each side, give you some nice hanging space for your clothes. And then again, we got the nice mini split unit right up in your master as well. You probably won't keep both of them running because you probably won't need it for the square footage, but guys, we added an extra just to be on the safe side. You guys follow me back through, and we'll go back to the living area and show you how open this concept is. And in this model, we've added the nice clear story windows up above in the living area, again bringing in the natural light. This is one of the Platinum Premiers. So guys, stay tuned as I take you to the next option. And here we are in the second Premier that I'm going to show you today. And this one is the best price, and I'll show you a few reasons why. As you can see in this model, we chose not to go with the microwave. That's an option that you can add or delete. In this option, in this house, we chose to delete it, but it still looks great. We still added the black appliances, and in this model, we chose to go with the Hickory Cabinets. Still giving it that rustic feel like the first Platinum Premier that I showed you, but a little different taste. So the Hickory Cabinets kind of lighten the area up a little bit. Still the same layout, and we still got the built-in entertainment center over here as well. But you'll notice in the last model, we talked about the clear story windows in the living room. In this model, we chose not to add the clear stories. So again, more savings. Still gives you a nice abundance of space. Still got windows right here, windows coming in from the front door, and windows in the kitchen. So plenty of natural light still coming in with taking that option out. You guys follow me through? Again, in the bathroom, Hickory cabinets as well. We kept everything pretty similar in the model I just showed you. Same shower, same window up above, and we'll take you right into the master right here. And you'll see we still have the windows right here bringing in the natural light in your bedroom. We went with the hickory dresser option and the white accordion doors. You can see right here again, open up accordion style, a lot of hanging space for you. And this is still a great option, still a great floor plan. It just comes down to preference. There's some things that you may want, some things that you may not want. So guys, we're going to show you one more, And yes, we got one more. This will be the third of the Platinum Premieres. Here we go. And here we are in the third and final Platinum Premiere. You may have noticed this from a previous Tiny Home Tuesday, but we wanted to add it in today so you can see the differences and the similarities of the Platinum Premieres that we offer. As you can see in this one, we chose to add the island right here. And this island is not stationary, so you can pick it up and move it around when you need to. We chose to go with the stainless steel appliances in this option as well. So you see we got the nice side-by-side with the ice in the door. Got the nice smooth top range right here in stainless steel, and the nice microwave up above. And as you can see, we chose to go with the gray painted cabinets, giving more of a contemporary look compared to the rustic styling that you see in the previous models. And you'll see we kept that going here in the entertainment center. And then also we chose to add the clear stories in this unit as well. So again, the contemporary styling, the light colors, bringing in the natural light with the clear stories. And guys, as you can see, pretty much everything else is the exact same as the previous models. Again, we went with the gray painted cabinets. In the bathroom, the stand-up shower with the transom window up above, and then we'll take it into the master so you can actually see how it feels with a queen-size bed. So you can see we still have enough room. If you want to come out to a king, you can definitely accommodate that in this space. Again, we got the accordion doors in white, gray painted dresser in the middle, and it's just a little bit goes a long way. So it comes down to preference in the Platinum Premiere. We give you plenty of options, and you just pick and choose what you'd like to add, and you're still going to stay within budget if you're looking for a tiny home in the $40,000 range. Yes, $40,000 range. The Platinum Premiere is what we're offering, quality homes at the best possible price. You guys stay tuned, and I appreciate you tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday. Remember to come in, ask for me, ask for Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and how I can get you your next Platinum Premiere.